Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm your host Daryl Spiel here, bringing you another review on the Paladou Lavalier Lapel microphone. And yeah guys, I'm really excited to review another Paladou product. In the last review, I reviewed the Bezewo USB condenser microphone, which was provided to us by Paladou. So once again, I would love to give a big thank you and shout out to Paladou for giving us this free product for review. So without further ado, let's get on into the packaging. And it really looks like, again, we don't need an unboxing knife for this product, guys. We just undo the little tape and bada bing, bada boom. Oh my goodness, the moment of truth right here, guys. Oh my goodness, wow, they package it so well in there. Look at this box, too. This is really cool. Oh my goodness, it comes in its own little bag. That's awesome. And you got the manual. And let's open up this bag right here. Man, this is a nice little bag. It's very sturdy. All you have to do is just unzip it like so. And oh my word, guys, look at this. Oh my word. Wow, you got an extension cable, and my goodness, it's all rubber banded in here with Paladou rubber band straps. Like, this is very nice. They did not have to go through all this. Oh my word, it wraps through and it attaches, so you can literally just wrap it around like that and just boom, it just clips on like so. That is amazing, guys. Oh my goodness, look at how much external cable that you have. This isn't even the official microphone and they give you all this extra cable. Also, here is the microphone. Oh my goodness, guys. And once again, they got this really nice rubber band strap that has the official Paladou name on it, and it extends a long time. You should not have any issues recording in any setup. I also noticed that it's got a very nice coat of like rubber on the cord, and it's like a very hard, sturdy material, so it's like not gonna snap or anything or open. Some cables I've seen split open, and these are like heavy duty. I'm very impressed with this microphone. It's very sleek. The metal on the official microphone looks very well done, and it's made very sturdy as well. And the clamp also, I must say, is a very sturdy metal, which is very important when considering that this is a lavalier mic. You literally clip it on yourself and bada bing, bada boom, just like that. But that's not all, guys. We got two wind muffs, and these are basically to keep the sound. This actually makes the sound a lot better to kind of reduce the wind and the background noise. So they give you this too. There's so much that they give you. And you got a replacement as well. This is really awesome. And lastly, in the box, you have a converter cable, a pin adapter. So basically, this allows you to plug it up to a PC, a camera, or other audio recording devices. So if it's not your phone or something, well, there you go. It's got its own adapter as well, guys. So in conclusion of everything that's in this box, you got a microphone bag, you got an extension cable, you got a pin adapter, you got the microphone itself, and you got wind muffs. That is insane. And it's all in a nice packaging. They really went above and beyond for this microphone. I'm very impressed with how much they fit into this packaging. I can't wait to officially start testing out this product. So without further ado, let's actually get into testing out the Paladou Lavalier Lapel microphone. This is a close-up of the Paladou Lavalier Lapel microphone. This microphone is a very durable, special-made mic. And yeah, I'm really impressed with this microphone. It's made of a special metal shielded cable, which has upgraded noise reduction technology, continuous frequency, low interference, and a stable signal that allows for fast transmission speed, and basically means that you can get the best sound audio out of your microphone. It's got a wide compatibility of devices that it can be used with, from PCs to Macs to laptops, Androids, or even VCRs or GoPros. This microphone can be used with any of those with the provided adapters, which is really awesome that Paladou went through all this just to give you the best options available so that you can record out of any setup. And there's no need to worry about it not being long enough for anyone's setup, because they give you 79 inches of extension cable. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. This cable is plugged straight into my MacBook, and you just plug it in like so, bada bing, bada boom, and it's done. Your microphone is ready to be recorded into that device. Same thing goes for an iPhone. The only difference is with an Apple device, you have to use the added dongle, which should be included integrated with any modern Apple device. But other than that, it's that plug-and-play design which really makes this microphone amazing. It's also very easy to set up. There's no battery, no need to set up drivers, and it's more environmentally friendly and simplified. But it doesn't stop there, because Paladou has made it even easier for on-the-go travel. With its storage bag, you can take the microphone anywhere. This thing is hard and heavy duty. So whenever you need to take this microphone to a presentation or a conference, hey, this bag can really help you out. You just slide it in with all your gear and boom, you're ready to go. It's also got an omnidirectional recording feature which allows you to get the most out of your microphone and pick up just about anywhere. You can use so much with its versatility in recording anything. You just think about it and boom, it can be used for anything. It is designed for mobile applications, for meetings, and it can be used for parties or events. From recording videos, interviews, live broadcasts, or conversations or podcasts, this microphone can be used for any of that. You don't have to clip it on and wear it like so. You can literally just take it off your clothing like that and you are ready to interview someone or record someone or record your own audio. It's also designed to be 6 to 7 inches away from your mouth and still be able to pick up a loud and crisp sound quality, which is the same as if you were really close to the microphone or really far to the microphone. This microphone is designed to pick up the best wherever you are. So everything from the build quality to everything that they include, from all the things that they put in to make your quality the best, like the sound foam, you just slide it on. Then it's used to block out a lot of sound and background noise. So that's another neat feature, guys. Paladou really threw in a lot of things here so that you can get the best sound quality. So everything from the build quality to the compatibility, from the portability aspect and its wide range of uses, this microphone is affordable. Coming in at $19.99. You can pick this mic up at Amazon right now. And yeah, guys, it's something that I would highly recommend to anyone who's looking for a new microphone or something that they want to try out. Maybe you've never tried a lavalier mic, or maybe you're trying something new. I highly recommend this product. So without further ado, let's get into recording and testing out the actual sound quality of the Paladou lavalier lapel microphone. So right now, you are listening to my iPhone's official audio when it's picking up my voice from right here, and we are going to be switching to the Paladou lavalier lapel microphone right now. So now you should be listening to my voice through the lavalier lapel microphone, and right now I'm just getting up close. I'm stepping away. I'm not really stepping away, but this should just give you a good idea of what the microphone sounds like. It should pick up loud and clear without any issues. I'll get it away from my jacket a little bit just to see if it affects the audio a little bit. The real nice thing about the lavalier microphone is you can literally clip it just about anywhere. And if you don't want to record right on your clothing, hey, you want to record someone or maybe interview them, you just take it off right there and boom, you can just record like this. So yeah, this has been the official Paladou lavalier lapel microphone. And yeah, guys, I've really enjoyed reviewing this product. The sound quality was amazing, and it was really cool that the microphone worked clipped on, or you can use the microphone holding it away from your mouth. It's very versatile with however you want to capture your sound, and that's the beauty of it. There's so much possibilities when recording with the Paladou lapel lavalier microphone. They really give you a lot of possibilities when recording with it. Everything about this microphone, from the portable aspect to the easy to use features of it and its versatility, makes this microphone amazing, and it's affordable as well. So it's something that I would recommend to anyone who's just starting out, or someone that's looking for a beginner microphone, or any types of videos, guys. It's a really good microphone. Once again, I would love to say a big thank you to Paladou for giving us this free product for review. And yeah, if you want to see more information on Paladou or more of this product, please go down in the description below where you can find all the links down provided. And yeah, guys, that just about wraps up this video. If you like what you saw or heard, please be sure to hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, or ring that bell to stay up to date whenever I go live or upload a video. And as always, stay awesome, keep the hype alive, and I will see you guys in the next video.